In this week's Wray Proud Moments, let's recap the success of Jamaican athlete Kemoy Campbell, who recently announced his retirement from the track.
Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. Jamaican distance runner Kemoy Campbell's interest in track and field began during his high school years when he beat seasoned runners during a sports day event. After attending college and university in the U.S., Kemoy returned home to represent Jamaica at several sporting events, including the 2016 Olympic Games, the 2017 IAAF World Championships, the Commonwealth Games, and the World Juniors, among others. During his career, he won 9 gold and 4 silver medals. In September 2019, he announced his retirement from the track due to health reasons. Jamaican athlete Kemoy Campbell's contribution to track and field and his achievements are deservingly Wray Proud Moments. Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Trinidad is our destination. Here's Zoelah with Twist My Love for this week's Caribbean video.
You love a control. I know why you go home tonight. I know why you go home tomorrow. Stay for the rest of my life. Cause baby, I don't want no other. Cause nothing can compare to this wine you give to me. I need it every day, yeah. Ooh, baby, I like this feeling. Boy, you give me the best time of my life. Best time of my life. Best time of, hey. Hold me with me. When I give you the sweetest vibration, baby, don't give me wine.
Who's number one? Only one way to find out. Let's take the trip to the top on this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
Good, we're not go no further. What that they are born in the earth, yeah. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost them.
Brand new clock for foot. Every girl pass shook one down a rock. Brand new clock for foot. Oh, me go make a link pan.
Bad man out and stunting. Kyle them thick like dumpling. Girl with big body jumping. Action ready for the thumping. Fresh.
Hold on, hold for minute. Target and net field. Man green. Let me have it and repeat. Inna me things and me never left the teeth from inna the feet.
Wait, man I push a gram. And a puff gum and it's the chase rum. Man a loyal 6 brother winner just cut them young. Who the gas them a musty pet cup. Me catch you next level fever.
And them bright like starlight. Whole team out so we alright. Every girl one piece of the star life. Drop some sauce and away them girl at top. At the star world. 3 letter belt, 2 matic and a mag. We still a beat them, but drive out now the jag. Watch the rest of them a jag. Fierce cool Canada, body at California, you're not shit. Like Arizona, more like Coca-Cola. Throw you back the firm, me feel a good, they wanna cola. Taxi man alone can pick you up in a Corolla.
Are you ready to go party? Yeah, roll up the bands on the hard day. Be a rich guy like Cardi. My money enough, so I can do this all day. Champagne, Hennessy, yeah.
6 no girl don't want you. Bobby not the Axie, I mean not the Prada. Running, you know, hear me the call you. She a good and no pens to the muse draw you. I'm a pro, good din go on you. Mix up your G and G with the car up.
And that's how we say goodbye to Stony Hill Square and another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Chrissy. Until next time, walk good.
So you can't make mistakes when a typical life. Say you free. Yo, you know the root I guess.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum, we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
Yeah, and girl, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spin. At blem, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, no, we ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.